Hi guys, Mr. Pablo so back with another video. And this time we are in Taramundi, where we are about to start the trail PRAS 18, which is Ruta de los Ferreiros, which translates from Spanish into Trail of the Blacksmiths. And I will tell you everything about it in the way there. Well, this is a circular trail which starts and ends in Taramundi and covers a distance of 4 miles. It is very beautiful, although, to be honest, not as beautiful as the water trail which we saw in the latest video. I must say this one is much shorter though. It is very easy to hike, has many slopes and goes through forests, which I love. Not only because of the trees and the green color, but also because of the beautiful sound of the birds singing happily. Well, today's hike has this kind of eerie feeling, a little bit creepy, you know, crossing through the forest with this kind of fog going on, and it gives that kind of feeling of, I don't know if you remember the movie The Others, where those ghosts were coming out from the fog, walking towards the house, and it has like this kind of feeling that something is going to happen. Let's hope it's nothing to be afraid of, but it has this kind of vibe while I'm doing this hike. There is an abandoned motorbike right here. Do you guys know which motorbike is this? If you know, please post it in the comment section. It'd be interesting to know what it is. Okay guys, we are about to leave Pardiñas behind, which means that we are very close to the end of this journey. And I thought it was a good opportunity to say goodbye, as I usually do, by saying that I hope you enjoy the content of the video. I thank you a lot for doing this hike with me. And also, as I usually say, I hope life is giving you plenty of opportunities to smile. And if it doesn't, please keep fighting, as it is a matter of time. Or in other words, if your life is not going as well as expected, do not give up, keep fighting, because things will eventually get better. In any case, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.